It's the biggest political day in the last 5 years, a decisive Wednesday that could shape India's political future. From 7 a.m. onwards on Wednesday, Result Day Live, the fastest numbers, the most detailed analysis on who takes over Bangalore.
See voter, this is the first exit poll that we are putting out on Times Now, and Navika has the projections. I think what we are looking at as per 3 p.m. data, it can only get better for the Congress party, is a huge sweep.
A paradigm shift in the way elections are covered in this country. Clusters, spectrum, firewall, billboard. It's election coverage on TV for a new India. Biggest news breaks catch the interview with who could be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka.
You would be the Chief Minister of Karnataka, and that is the general feeling.
I am also an aspirant.
The only way for the Karnataka BJP to do well at the national level now is to bring back Mr. Yediyurappa.
Yes. No, I don't, because Bharatiya Janata Party will not depend on any personalities. Personalities will come and personalities will go.
Do you think the BJP should have played their cards differently?
You know, from the beginning I was telling that minus Yediyurappa, BJP is going to become zero.
And what impact these elections are actually going to have on 2014. The big picture at noon on Times Now.
दिल्ली उनको दिया, इतना देश दुख भोग रहा है, देख रहे हो ना। एक दिल्ली देकर के दुखी हुए हैं, क्या कर्नाटक देने की गलती कर सकते हैं क्या?
And on Indian politics' biggest day since the trust vote in 2008, catch all the developments on India's #1 news channel on what the Supreme Court will decide in the Colgate matter.
सर इतने दिन से कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं अश्विनी जी, आप इतना सर आप सरकार की तरफ से लगातार बोलते रहे, लेकिन अब कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं, जबकि आरोप आप ही के ऊपर है।
It's the biggest political day in the past 5 years, a decisive Wednesday that is going to decide the future of this country's politics.